Hey everyone, it's Jill, founder of Kids Baking Club, and I just wanted to come in and tell you a fun thing that you can do with your kids, and that is to help them create their own baking box. So when you get your baking kits in the mail, the first thing is to take your recipes and put them in your recipe binder so that your kids have quick access, but also help them create their own baking box so that when they're ready to bake, they have their own box in the pantry or somewhere in a cabinet that they can pull out. They're also responsible for cleaning all of their supplies and putting them back in the box. So what do I have in my baking box? So I always have measuring cups, measuring spoons, liquid measuring cups. I always have spoons and spatulas and some of the other things that you get in your baking kit. So when they get their bag with their baking kit, so they're ready to bake the recipes that are in their kit of the baking kit they're getting that month, you go ahead and have them take these things out. Here's your decorating bags for this month, the stickers that they can actually use as gift tags or on their baking box, the cupcake liners, the cookie cutters, the gels, whatever's in your kit for that month, go ahead and have them put it in here so when they're ready to make a recipe, they've got everything centralized and ready to go. Isn't that a great idea? Okay, I hope that helps. Have a great day and happy baking.